In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Connections. Then scroll all the way down and choose More Connection Settings. Following that, click on Printing and tap on Default Print Service. Now wait! Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. To use a different service, you need to disable this one first, thanks to this blue switcher. Go back, hit the download plugin and install the best service for you. When it's ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, click on it and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!